Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preheating the oven to 175 degrees C, 350 degrees F, so the heat is ready when you need it. Once done, line a baking sheet with parchment. While that heats, mix your cupcake batter until smooth, sugar, fat, eggs, flour, and leavening, and measure with a 1/4 cup scoop for consistent sizes. Use paper liners directly on the parchment or place liners inside small ramekins. This replaces a tray and gives structure. Make sure liners sit flat before filling, because stability matters for even rise. Now you fill each liner about 2/3 full. This prevents overflow and ensures a dome top. If you're using ramekins, place them on the sheet and leave about 2 cm between items for air circulation. This mimics tray spacing. For fragile, super moist batters, set ramekins in a shallow water bath to stabilize temperature and avoid cracking. Once filled, gently tap the sheet on the counter to release large air pockets. Then slide the sheet into the center oven rack for bake your makeshift cupcakes for about 15 to 22 minutes. You know they're done when a toothpick comes out with a few crumbs and the tops spring back. Once they're out, cool the sheet on a wire rack for 10 to 15 minutes so the center's set. Then remove liners or unmold ramekins gently. If a cake sinks or collapses, it usually means overmixing, too much leavening, or oven temperature too high. Next time, reduce heat by 10 to 20 degrees C and mix less to prevent the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.